Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Make your breathing deep as possible. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in. Breathe out. And relax. And once again, feel the relaxation spread all over your body. आपने ब्रीदिंग सिर्फ लंग से किया है, पर अभी जो आप प्रोसेस करने वाले हो इसके लिए आपको पूरे बॉडी में असर फील होगा. सो यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द ब्रीदिंग आफ्टर डूइंग द एक्चुअल ब्रीदिंग. बी स्टिल. आप जरा जरा मूवमेंट कर सकते हो, आपको कहाँ भी बॉडी स्टिफ लगे तो, पर अभी बी स्टिल. हो सके वहां तक रीढ़ की हड्डी स्ट्रेट रखिए, गर्दन स्ट्रेट रखिए. योर हेड, योर नेक एंड योर स्पाइन शुड बी इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. यू कैन यूज अ पिलो टू सिट ऑन. अगर आप एक तकिए पे बैठोगे तो आपको जल्दी थकान नहीं होगी, आपका बॉडी स्टिफ नहीं होगा. अगर आपको जरा भी लग रहा है कि आपको जरा बॉडी स्टिफ हो सकता है, तो आप एक दीवार पे टेका दे सकते हो या चेयर पे भी बैठ सकते हो. अब सबसे पहले हम लोग हमारे अंदर क्लेंजिंग करेंगे सेकेंड ब्रेथ के साथ. इट इज कॉल्ड सिंगल नॉस्ट्रल नाड़ी शुद्धि. तो सिंगल नॉस्ट्रल नाड़ी शुद्धि के लिए सबसे पहले हम लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रल बंद करेंगे, सॉरी राइट नॉस्ट्रल बंद करेंगे, और लेफ्ट से हम ब्रीदिंग इन ब्रीदिंग आउट करेंगे. ये ब्रीदिंग करते वक्त आप जरा सा बॉडी मूवमेंट भी कर सकते हो, जिससे आपके बॉडी में वो क्लेंजिंग इफेक्ट बढ़ जाएगा. सो ब्रीद इन, breathe out. Namrata is breathing only from the left nostril. Yeah, once again, breathe in, breathe out. 3, breathe out. Exhalation can be stronger than the inhalation. 4, breathe out. 5, 6, breathe out. Make sure you pull your belly inwards when you breathe out. 7, breathe out as you pull your belly inwards. 8, breathe out. 9, breathe out. 10, breathe out. And one more. 11, breathe out and relax. Sit straight. Keep your body straight. You will feel the energy from this breathing traveling all over your body, mainly on your left side, and your head, your chest, your navel. Feel the energy spread all over your body. Feel the energy spread on your face, on your chest, on your belly, on your arms, on your feet. Now we close the left nostril and we breathe in and breathe out from the right nostril. So breathe in, breathe out. The breathing out can be lengthier, stronger, and you have to pull your belly in when you breathe out. पेट अंदर खींचना है श्वास छोड़ते हुए, ये breathing में. 3, breathe out. 4, breathe out. 5, lengthy breathe out, pulling the belly in. 6, breathe out. 7, take a deep breath, breathe out. 8, breathe out. 9, breathe out. 10, breathe out. Pull your belly inwards. Last one. Breathe out. Relax. Between every breathing, when you are still, when you are relaxing, when you are feeling the effects of the breathing travel all over your body, mainly your face, your chest, and your navel, you have to mentally repeat Om Namah Shivaya because it's a Chandra Grahan, and Om Namah Shivaya is the best remedy for a Chandra Grahan. Om, the mantra Om Namah Shivaya, or simply the mantra Om. But here we will use the mantra Om Namah Shivaya. You have to chant this mantra mentally when you are relaxing between every breath. It's a mental chanting, repetition, so that your mind becomes involved in the mantra. At the same time, your feelings are involved in feeling the distribution of energy all over the body. The main parts are your navel, your chest, and your face between the eyes. Now you have to keep your hands on your navel, your hands overlapping each other, and you have to feel your navel with your hands. Yes, perfect, Namrita. And you do a breathing in when your navel comes slightly outwards, and a breathing out when your navel is pulled slightly inwards. So breathe in, breathe out, pull your navel inwards. आंखें बंद करनी है और नाभि से एनर्जी फील करनी है कि उठ रही है छाती की तरफ, फेस की तरफ. Breathe in, breathe out. As you breathe out, feel the energy lifting up towards the chest and the face. 3, breathe out, pull your belly inwards. 4, breathe out, pull your belly inwards, press your belly with your hands. 5, breathe out. 6, breathe out, pull your belly inwards. As you pull your belly inwards, you feel the energy from the belly traveling upward. 6, breathe out. You can go a bit faster. 7, breathe out. 8, breathe out. 9, breathe out. 10, breathe out. Relax. When you're relaxing, you are still feeling the energy from your navel travel upwards. आपने जो ब्रीदिंग किया है, इस ब्रीदिंग के बाद में आपके नाभि चक्र में एक्टिवेशन आता है. ये एक्टिवेशन आपको फील करना है कि नाभि से सारी एनर्जी छाती पे, गले पे और फेस की तरफ जा रही है. ब्रीदिंग में आपको ये प्रोसेस फील होगा और ब्रीदिंग करने के बाद ये फीलिंग बहुत स्ट्रांग रहेगी. तो आपको ये अपवर्ड मूवमेंट ऑफ एनर्जी फील करनी है. अगर ये सेम प्रोसेस आप रात को भी करोगे, आज रात को या कल सुबह करोगे, तो इसका इफेक्ट बहुत आपको फील होगा आज भी. फिर से एक बार नाभि पे हाथ रखना है. फिर से एक बार ब्रीदिंग इन, द नेवल कम स्लाइटली आउट. ब्रीदिंग आउट, you press your navel with your hands. 2, आपको ब्रीदिंग अपने कंफर्ट से करना है. ब्रीदिंग इन कैन बी 3-4 seconds लेंदी, and breathing out can be 5 to 6 seconds long. Yeah, 3. You can make it lengthier if you wish to, if you're comfortable. 4, breathe out. As you breathe out, feel the energy from the navel and the lower body go towards the face. 5, breathe out. As you breathe out, feel the energy from the lower body go towards your face. 6, breathe out and feel the energy from the navel go towards your chest, your neck, and your face. 8, breathe out. 9, now onwards, make your breathing out lengthier. Namrita, at least 6-7 seconds. 10, breathe out. As you breathe out, Pull your belly inwards. As you pull your belly inwards, feel the energy from the navel rise up towards the chest, towards the navel, towards the face. 10. Breathe out. Feel the energy rise up towards the eye center, the face. Relax, Namrita. ये ब्रीदिंग करने के बाद हमने अभी सिर्फ 20 बार किया है, आप अपने पर्सनल प्रैक्टिस में 30-40 बार भी कर सकते हो। ये ब्रीदिंग करने के बाद आपके शरीर में जो प्राण शक्ति का फ्लो है वो नेचुरल बन जाएगा नाभि से ऊपर आने के लिए। उस नेचुरल फ्लो पे आपको ध्यान देना है ब्रीदिंग करने के बाद। ध्यान अंदर देते हुए जब जब आपको एक शून्यता का एहसास होगा, एक खालीपन का एहसास होगा, बिल्कुल थॉट्स कम हो जाएंगे, उस वक्त आप ओम नमः शिवाय का जाप कर सकते हो, या सिंपली आप उस स्थिरता और शांति और वो शून्यता पे ध्यान दे सकते हो। ये ब्रीदिंग करने के बाद हम हमारे दोनों हाथ को बांध लेंगे सहज शंख मुद्रा में, और वो सहज शंख मुद्रा हम छाती पे रखेंगे। दोनों फिंगर्स क्लैस्प करने हैं, सहज शंख मुद्रा लगाना है, और दोनों फिंगर सेंटर ऑफ द दोनों हाथ को सेंटर ऑफ द चेस्ट में रखना है। योर palms should touch your chest, it's very important। अभी आपको एक डीप ब्रेथ लेना है और फील करना है कि आपका ब्रेथ पूरा छाती तक जा रहा है। एक्सेलेशन करते वक्त आपको मुंह से एक्सेल करना है और ऐसे साउंड निकालना है। It's called the Ha breath. It is very, very effective in cleansing your emotions. So take a deep breath. जितना हो सके लंबा और गहरा श्वास लीजिए। पूरे श्वास को अपने छाती में भरिए। डायफ्राम तक श्वास जाएगा फिर भी चलेगा। एक्सेलेशन के वक्त पूरा खुल के श्वास छोड़िए, खुल के अपने छाती के नीचे वाले भाग से, डायफ्राम से पूरा ब्रेथ निकालिए बाहर, और मुंह खोल के once again 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 दिल खोल के श्वास छोड़िए 14 15 relax, keep your hands as it is। आंखें बंद रखिए। इस ब्रीदिंग का असर आपके अनहद चक्र पे या हार्ट सेंटर पे बहुत ज्यादा होगा। हमने अभी सिर्फ 15 ब्रेथ किया है, आप पर्सनल प्रैक्टिस में ज्यादा भी कर सकते हो। आपके हार्ट चक्र में एक खालीपन का एहसास होगा। इनिशियली यू मे फील हैवीनेस, बट ग्रेजुअली इसको अगर आप और 15-20 बार करोगे तो आपको एक खालीपन का एहसास होगा नाभि से अनहद चक्र के बीच में, स्पेशली डायफ्राम रीजन में आपको बहुत खालीपन रहेगा। This breathing is very important to cleanse your emotions, whatever regrets, whatever depressions, or whatever guilt or anger or emotional disturbances we have held in our heart, in our heart chakra or the navel chakra is removed by this breathing, and this removal is felt by the emptiness feeling. एक खालीपन का, एक फ्रीडम, अंदर से फ्रीडम होने का एहसास आपको होगा। इसके बाद हम लोग सेम ब्रीदिंग फिर से एक बार करेंगे। अभी के बाद आप ये ब्रीदिंग इनहेलेशन जितना डीप करना है अच्छा करिए, फील करिए कि आपका ब्रेथ नाभि तक जा रहा है, और एक्सहेलेशन दिल से करिए, एक्सहेलेशन पूरा लेंथी करिए, और अपने नाभि से पूरे ब्रेथ को छोड़िए। आपको फील होगा कि नाभि और छाती पूरा खाली हो गया है। ये खालीपन जब आपको अंदर ठहरेगा और बढ़ेगा, उसका मतलब होगा कि इस दिन के लिए, या कम से कम 6-8 दिन के लिए, जो आपने जो भी तरह का इमोशनल हैवीनेस आपने अंदर होल्ड किया है हार्ट चक्र में, पूरा निकल जाएगा अंदर से बाहर। ओके, सो टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ। Again, breathe in, breathe out as lengthy as possible. 3, 4, shoulder relaxed. 5, keep your hands touched on your chest. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, relax. Keep your hand as it is. इस ब्रीदिंग के सेकेंड राउंड के बाद आपको अपने नाभि में और छाती में और गले में बहुत फ्रीडम लगेगा। आपको लगेगा पूरा छाती खाली हो गया है। आपको गले पे भी एकदम हल्कापन का एहसास होगा। जब आपके गले पे हल्केपन का एहसास होता है, इट मीन्स इट इज रिलीजिंग ऑल द अनएक्सप्रेस वर्ड्स दैट वी हैव नॉट स्पोकन। बहुत सारी बातें हमें बोलनी थी लेकिन हम बोल नहीं पाए। बहुत कुछ हमें एक्सप्रेस करना था, हम कर नहीं पाए। ये सारा छाती में और गले में विशुद्धि में हेल्ड अप होता है। इस ब्रीदिंग से नाभि में, अनहत में और विशुद्धि में सारी जो एनर्जीज है जो हम एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाए, वो रिलीज करने में हमें हेल्प मिलेगा। Yeah, release your hands, Namrita, and now we will slowly do the opposite nostril breathing after a few seconds, after 10-15 seconds. Till that time, close your eyes and feel this energy spread all over your body. Feel this freedom sensation in your chest, your neck, your face. You will feel a feeling of freedom. कुछ रिलीज हो गया है, कुछ इमोशनल बॉन्डिंग रिलीज हो गया है, कुछ अंदर की गांठ रिलीज हो गई है। Anything which is binding inside of you, you'll feel that emotion, that link being released here. अभी आपको करना है ऑपोजिट नॉस्ट्रल ब्रीदिंग। ऑपोजिट नॉस्ट्रल ब्रीदिंग भी नाड़ी शुद्धि है। इसको आपको लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रल से ब्रीद इन करना है और राइट नॉस्ट्रल से लेंथी एक्सहेलेशन करना है। सो लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रल से ब्रीद इन, राइट नॉस्ट्रल से ब्रीद आउट। फिर से एक बार लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रल से ब्रीद इन, लेंथी ब्रेथ. राइट नॉस्ट्रल से ब्रीद आउट. Breathe out as lengthy as you can, as long as you can. Again, breathe in, breathe out as lengthy as you can. You may pull the belly in here also when you breathe out. Once again, breathe in, breathe out as lengthy as you can. Again, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in deep, breathe out, breathe in deep, breathe out, breathe in deep as possible, breathe out as lengthy as possible. And the last breath, breathe in deep, breathe out as lengthy as you can. Yeah, sit straight, relax for at least 15-20 seconds. In between this relaxation, you can do the mantra jap Om Namah Shivaya. Now you will start feeling the energies coming towards your chest, your Vishuddhi chakra, and your face between the eyes. So now you will feel more of these centers. The energy upliftment today, especially we are doing it towards the Grahan time. This is exactly on the Grahan time. Though the Grahan is not visible in India, the effect of the Grahan is happening in the entire world. And during Poonam, the best time, and during Grahan also, it is the best time to uplift your energies towards the Agnya Chakra. So you will feel the energy upliftment coming up towards the Vishuddhi, the Agnya, and even the Sahasrara. But you will now feel the energy converging towards the Agnya more. Now we do the opposite nostril breathing. So we breathe in from the right and breathe out from the left. Now we change it now. So breathe in from the right as deep as possible. Breathe out from the left. Once again, breathe in from the right nostril. Breathe out from the left nostril. When you breathe out, let your breathing be as lengthy as possible. And you pull your belly inwards as you breathe out. Again, breathe in. Breathe out from the left nostril. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Again, breathe in right. Breathe out left. Again, breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in right nostril. Breathe out from the left nostril. Once again, breathe in. Breathe out. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. And the last one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Once again, you sit straight. Now you will feel lots of energy converging towards the heart center, the Vishuddhi, and even more towards the Agnya Chakra. But you may feel the heart center also here, because the heart center takes its time to become free. जब भी आप पूरा ये ब्रीदिंग्स कर रहे हो, आप अंदर ध्यान लगा रहे हो, उस वक्त भी लोअर चक्रा से काफी सारी एनर्जी ऊपर आती है, और जैसे ग्रेजुअली एनर्जी ऊपर आती है, समटाइम इट इज स्टॉप्ड एट द नेवल, समटाइम इट इज स्टॉप्ड एट द हार्ट चक्र. तो ये ब्रीदिंग करने से क्या होगा, पूरे सारे नाड़ियों में क्लेंजिंग इफेक्ट आता है, और आपको अपने नाभि में भी एनर्जी फील हो सकती है, रोटेशन एनर्जी, या फिर वार्मथ हो सकता है, या फिर आपको अपने अनहद चक्र में भी बहुत सारी एनर्जी फ्री हो रही है या एकदम हल्कापन आ रहा है, ऐसी आपको हो सकता है। एट द सेम टाइम फॉर सम ऑफ यू सारी एनर्जी आपको आग्नेय की तरफ जाते हुए फील हो सकती है इसमें। आफ्टर द ऑपोजिट नॉस्ट्रल ब्रीदिंग वी आर डूइंग द अनहत भ्रामरी। छाती पे आपको टैपिंग करना है भ्रामरी प्राणायाम करते करते। ये हम सिर्फ 6 बार करेंगे यहाँ पे। आप पर्सनल प्रैक्टिस में 11 बार भी कर सकते हो, इसको 21 बार भी कर सकते हो पर्सनल प्रैक्टिस में। तो एक डीप ब्रेथ लेना है आपको। ब्रीदिंग आउट करते वक्त आपको छाती पे जेंटल टैपिंग करना है और भ्रामरी साउंड करना है। Hmm, फिर से एक बार ब्रीद इन, again breathe in, again breathe in, again breathe in, last one. Relax. जब आप भ्रामरी प्राणायाम ऐसे करते हो अनहद चक्र पे टैपिंग करते हुए, दिस इज टैपिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिलीज एनी पास्ट मेमोरीज. It can be any kind. It can be painful memories. It can be some disturbing, insulting memories, or some very depressive memories, whatever. जो भी आपके अनहद चक्र में पेन की तरह, हेवीनेस की तरह, डिस्कम्फर्ट फीलिंग्स की तरह स्टोर्ड अप है, अनहद भ्रामरी ये पूरी मेमोरीज को जड़ से निकालने के लिए बहुत इफेक्टिव है। ये भ्रामरी करने के बाद आपको हल्कापन और ज्यादा महसूस होगा आपके अनहद चक्र में। जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया आपको कि हम लोग यहाँ सिर्फ 6-7 बार ही करेंगे, लेकिन इस ये प्राणायाम, ये वाला भ्रामरी आप अगर आपको अगर ज्यादा यूज करना है तो 11 बार 21 बार भी कर सकते हो इसे। भ्रामरी करने के बाद यू विल फील साइलेंट, यू विल फील वेरी फ्री फ्रॉम विद इन, यूज दैट फीलिंग एंड डू अ मंत्र जाप ऑफ ओम नमः शिवाय। अभी आपको एक मुद्रा करनी है जिसे हम कहते हैं षण्मुखी मुद्रा या फिर योनि मुद्रा। तो आपको कान बंद करने हैं, पहली उंगली ऑन द आईज, closed eyes, second finger, the middle finger, uh, slightly outside your nostril, the third finger on the upper lip, the fourth finger on the lower lip. You will feel the silence within yourself. In this mudra, you have to feel the silence within yourself. In the beginning, when you do this mudra, you have to close your ears and keep the fingers as mentioned here, but you have to feel the sound of breath inside yourself, inside you. Feel the sound of the breath. And in this mudra, make your breath as slow as possible. Let your breathing in be at least for 5-6 seconds, and let your breathing out be of at least 6-7 seconds, lengthier than the breathing in. Do at least 6 deep breaths in this mudra, at least 6 deep breaths. And let your breathing be as slow as possible. It can even be 6 seconds inhalation and 8 or 10 seconds exhalation. After you finish your 6 breaths, you bring your hands down. After you bring your hands down, you will find out that your attention is mainly near the Vishuddhi chakra or between the eyes. So you have gradually taken your entire body energy towards the Anhat and then the Vishuddhi, then the Agnya chakra. Now you will find your energies converging mainly at the Vishuddhi or the Agnya chakra. So in this state, you can be still, you can enjoy this feeling of freedom and the energy converging at the Agnya chakra. At the same time, you can repeat the mantra Om Namah Shivaya. Now we have to do Anlom Vilom with Antar Kumbhak. So we start Anlom Vilom Antar Kumbhak. Yeah. We breathe in from the left nostril. And we hold the breath. When you're holding the breath, you'll keep your first 2 fingers at the eye center, Namrita. Yes. And you will concentrate at the eye center where you do Antar Kumbhak and the breathing also. Now breathe out the right nostril. Once again, breathe in from the right nostril. And let your breathing be as slow as possible, as lengthy as possible. Then you hold your breath. When you're holding your breath, you will feel the center at the between the eyes. You will repeat the mantra Om Namah Shivaya by fixing the center between the eyes and keep your entire attention there. Breathe out from the left nostril. Again, breathe in from the left nostril. Hold your breath and feel the Agnya chakra. Breathe out from the right nostril. Breathe in from the right nostril. Hold your breath and feel the Agnya chakra. Breathe out from the left nostril. Breathe in from the left nostril. Hold your breath and feel the Agnya chakra. Breathe out from the right nostril. Again, breathe in from the right nostril. Hold your breath and feel the Agnya Chakra. Breathe in from the left nostril. Now breathe in from the left nostril as deep as possible. Hold your breath and feel your Agnya Chakra. You can repeat the mantra Om Namah Shivaya while your attention is at the Agnya Chakra. Breathe out from the right nostril. Make your breathing as lengthy as possible. And again, breathe in from the right nostril. Make your breathing as deep as possible. Hold your breath and feel the Agnya Chakra as you repeat Om Namah Shivaya at the Agnya Chakra. Breathe out from the left nostril and relax. You can keep your hands down. Keep your attention at the Agnya Chakra and repeat the mantra Om, 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 Om. From here on, you repeat the mantra Om at the Agnya Chakra. Only Om. Mentally repeat the mantra Om. Make your Om as lengthy as possible, as clear within you as possible. And go on repeating the mantra Om, Om, Om at the Agnya Chakra. There should be no space between your repetitions. It should go on constantly. Now we are doing Brahmari Pranayam with ear tapping. So we are doing Brahmari Pranayam with ear tapping. You take a deep breath. When you breathe out, you do a Brahmari Pranayam like this. Once again, you take a deep breath. Brahmari Pranayam. Again, take a deep breath. Brahmari. Again, a deep breath. While doing Brahmari, you have to feel the eye center, the Agnya Chakra. Brahmari. Again, a deep breath. Brahmari. Make your Brahmari as lengthy as possible. Again, a deep breath. Last one. Take a deep breath. All right. Keep your hands down. Keep your attention between your eyes. By this time, your attention will be between the eyes at the Agnya Chakra. You may feel a lot of energy flow on the face. You may feel an inner glow on your face. And you have to keep your spine straight, your head straight, and keep attention pinpointed at the eye center. And go on repeating the mantra Om, Om, without a break. बीच में कोई भी गैप मत देना. बीच में कोई भी गैप होता है तो कोई थॉट्स आते हैं. कंस्टेंटली ओम रिपीट करते जाइए, पूरा अटेंशन आई सेंटर पे रख के. This will bring you to a thoughtless state. Go on repeating Om, Om constantly, mentally at the eye center. अभी हमें फिर से करना है षण्मुखी मुद्रा. षण्मुखी मुद्रा में हमें हमारे अंदर के साइलेंस को फील करना है और सबसे पहले ब्रेथ की आवाज को सुनना है और साइलेंस को फील करना है. नम्रता, षण्मुखी मुद्रा. Yeah. Ears closed, first finger on the eyelid, closed eyes, second finger on the beside the nostrils, third finger on the upper lip, fourth finger on the lower lip. For the first 3-4 breaths, listen to your breath within yourself. Listen to your breath. Make your breathing as slow as possible, as lengthy as possible. Your inhalation can be at least 6 seconds long, and your exhalation also can be at least 6 seconds long. At this point of time, you will feel lots of energy converging towards the eye center. Your body, your breathing has created the natural process in the pranic system, which converges your energy towards the eye center here. After this, any mantra jap will be 10 times more fruitful because you have reached a thoughtless state with the help of your pranic energies. Now feel the silence within yourself. For the first 3-4 breaths, feel your breath, listen to the sound of your breath. But after this, feel the silence within yourself now. This silence will first remain at the eye center, then it will spread out, it will cover your whole face, then it will spread out and cover your whole hands, then the Vishuddhi, then the Anhat, then the navel. This silence will soon spread all over your body. Slowly bring your hands down. Now you will be at the eye center. By you, I mean your consciousness will be at the eye center. And you will feel 90% of your energy is converged at the eye center, gathering at your face, at your eye center. So keep your attention at the energy, at the eye center, and go on repeating the mantra Om, Om. Try not to give any gap in between the mantras. Go on repeating the mantra constantly without a break till you can. This mantra jap at this point of your breath meditation will take you within the deeper levels of consciousness. It will give you access to the deeper realms of your Agnya Chakra, the higher levels. So go on with this mantra. Now we feel the breath energy from the navel come towards the crown chakra. So you will keep the right hand on the navel and the left hand on the crown chakra. This is what we give as the finishing touch to your energy system, your pranic channels, to converge the lower energies into the higher energies. This is what we use our palm, because प्राणायाम करने के बाद आपकी काफी सारी एनर्जी आपके हाथों में आ गई है। अब ये एनर्जी को फिर से आप अपने शरीर को दे रहे हो आप। ओके, तो एक हाथ से एनर्जी दे रहे हो नाभि में, दूसरे हाथ से आप एनर्जी दे रहे हो अपने सहस्रार चक्र में, और इन बिटवीन जो भी एनर्जीज है इसको ये ब्रेथ से और कंसंट्रेशन से आप नाभि से अपलिफ्ट करोगे क्राउन चक्र की तरफ। सो जब आप ब्रीद इन करोगे तो आपको फील करना है कि नाभि जरा सी बाहर आएगी। ब्रीदिंग आउट में नाभि अंदर पुल करोगे आप, और ब्रीदिंग आउट करते करते आपको फील करना है कि नाभि की सारी एनर्जीज ऊपर की तरफ जा रही है क्राउन चक्र की तरफ। ओके, सो ब्रीद इन, breathe out, and feel the energies from the navel go towards the crown chakra. 2, breathe out. If at all your hands get tired, you may change your hands, left hand down, right hand up. 3, breathe out. Your breathing can be slow as possible, as lengthy as possible. The only thing is you should feel the energy from the navel go upwards towards the crown chakra. 4, breathe out. Pull your belly inwards and feel the energy from the navel going up towards the crown chakra. 5, breathe out. Now make your breathing lengthier. 6, be still, be still. Once again, breathe in, be still. After this breathing, you may have felt the entire body's energy come towards the Agnya Chakra and the Sahasrara Chakra. So feel the energy from the navel go upwards towards the Agnya Chakra. Now we reverse the hand position. We keep the left hand down and the right hand on the crown chakra, the left hand on the navel, right hand on the crown chakra. Again, we do the same breathings. We breathe in as slow as possible. As we breathe out, we feel the energy from the navel go up towards the crown chakra. 2, breathe out. And as you breathe out, feel the energy from the lower body travel up from the center of your spine towards the crown chakra. 3, breathe in as deep as possible, as lengthy as possible. Breathe out. When you breathe out, you add Om to your breathing out and feel the Om with the breath traveling up towards the crown chakra. Again, take a breathe in. When you're breathing in, add the mantra Om to your breath and feel the breath come till the navel. Now breathe out. When you breathe out, feel the breath from the navel rising up towards the crown chakra. Again, breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe out, feel the breath, energy rising up from the navel towards the crown chakra. Again, breathe in, feel the energy from the crown chakra come down towards the navel. Breathe out and feel the energy from the navel go up towards the crown chakra from the center of your body. Once again, breathe in, breathe out, and feel the energy rising up at the Agnya and the Sahasrara chakra. Once again, breathe in, breathe out, and as you breathe out, feel the energy rising up towards the crown chakra. Relax. Both the hands down. Attention between the eyes. No matter you took the energy till the crown chakra, but your attention will be between the eyes. By this time, you will feel 95% of your pranic energy on the face and mainly at the eye center. So use this opportunity and do the mantra jap of Om. Go on repeating Om constantly without any gap. If at all you find out that your Om has stopped, then you keep your attention in the space between the eyes and go on feeling this peacefulness and silence. And once again, you get your thought control. Once again, keep your attention between your eyes. Keep your attention there and go on repeating Om. At this stage of your breath meditation, you can do this Om jap here between 5 to 10 minutes. But now we will do Shanmukhi Mudra again for 3-4 breaths again. We shall listen to the sound of the breath and then we shall feel the silence within ourselves. So Shanmukhi Mudra once again, Namrita. Shanmukhi Mudra once again. For the first 4 breaths, you will feel the sound of your breath at the eye center. Make your breath as lengthy as possible and listen to the sound of your inhalation, exhalation. At least for 4 breaths, do Shanmukhi Mudra and feel the sound of your breath at the eye center. Now feel the silence within you and feel this silence gathering or converging at the eye center. Feel this silence converging or gathering at the eye center. This silence will gradually grow. First of all, it will be at the eye center. Then it will grow and cover your whole face. Then it will cover your neck and face. Then the Anahata Chakra, then the navel, then your whole body. Gradually, this silence will cover your whole body. Slowly bring your hands down. Be still, sit straight. Keep your attention at the eye center. Go on repeating the mantra Om at the eye center now again. Now you have to place both the hands on the crown chakra, top of the head. Right hand down, left hand up. And you have to say, you have to repeat, chant a Om. You have to do Om chanting. And when doing Om chanting, you have to feel the energy from your navel in the form of all Om vibrations come up towards the face and the Sahasrara chakra. Okay. So take a deep breath. After finishing the Om, you will feel the vibrations reaching your face, your eye center, and your crown chakra. Be aware of this feeling of energy rising up. Once again, take a deep breath. After finishing the Om Jap, you will feel the energy in the form of vibrations reaching up till the chest, till the neck, eye center, and the crown chakra. Be aware of this uplifting feelings of energy. Once again, take a deep breath. Keep your hands down. Relax your body. Keep the spine straight. Now, at this point, mantra jap is very effective. You can do any mantra which has been given to you by a guru, or you can do at this stage, you can do Om Namah Shivaya, or you can simply go on with repeating the mantra Om, like we did earlier just now. So we will end the session now, but how do you end your session? Don't get up from your session right now. We have done Om only 3 times. I would request you all to do Om for at least 11 to 21 times. Between every Om, after every Om, wait for a few seconds to feel the energy traveling up to your eye center and your crown chakra. After you have finished Om Jap for maybe 11 times or 21 times, you will find yourself in a very elevated state of mind and consciousness. So you be in that state of consciousness, keep your attention at the eye center, and you can repeat any mantra given to you by your guru, or you can repeat Om Namah Shivaya, or you can simply repeat Om mentally at the eye center. Today, during the eclipse time, is the main time where you can repeat the mantra and feel its effect in a very strong way. At least 5 to 10 times the effects are more. So we will end the session now. Namrata Desai, thank you very much for demonstrations. And for everybody else, I would request you all to at least do the Om Jap again for 11 to 21 times. And after you finish the Om Jap, you can repeat your mantra jap, keeping attention at the eye center at least for 30 minutes. This effect will be once in a lifetime. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, Namrata. I'll end the session now. Bye-bye, everyone.